Well friends, here is problem number 49. Before moving to the problem, I will read the given direction. The direction is, in the following question, figure is folded in three-dimensional shape. Find which one of the shapes among the alternatives appear. So we have to find the three-dimensional figure obtained by folding this given figure. That means this problem is related with cubes. So whenever you find the problem related with cube, yes, the general unfolded cube has to be drawn, and then you have to give numbers to all the faces, and then the very important thing, that is first face is opposite to third, second face is opposite to fourth, fifth face is opposite to sixth. So this has to be remembered. So this is related to cube. So first try to draw the general unfolded diagram of cube, or just give face or number to all the faces and then try to find the opposite faces of every face. So first I will draw that figure here. Okay, so this is portion with dark colored, and this is some circles with colored, 3 circles are present, and this is the portion with dark colored. Okay, and this is some cross marks. This portion is having some cross mark, and this are blank. Now give number to all the faces. So this will be my first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, and sixth face. As I said, first face will be opposite to third, second face will be opposite to fourth, fifth face will be opposite to sixth. Using this, I will eliminate some of the options and finally get the correct option. So in the given, in the drawn figure, I am giving number 1 to this. That means this is the first face. First face should be opposite to third face. That means the dark colored portion are exactly opposite to each other. The faces having dark color, they are exactly opposite to each other. Now if you see the option 3 here, the dark faces are not opposite to each other. Why? Because opposite faces never appear in the neighboring faces. Opposite faces never appear in the neighboring faces. In the third option, you can see easily that the two faces are neighboring faces. So this option is the wrong option. Third option is the wrong option. One option we eliminated. Now moving to fourth option, you can see that the same colored faces are neighboring faces, but they are exactly opposite faces. So this is also a wrong option. Now we are left with only two options, first and second option. Now again come to this figure. Here I am having face 5, face 6, which are blank. Okay, face 5 and face 6 are blank. In the second option, it is easily seen I am having the blank faces, neighboring faces. They are appearing as neighboring faces. They are not appearing as opposite faces. So option 2 is also a wrong option. Option 2 is also a wrong option. So which option is right? Of course it is first option. First option will be the right option. So this is how we eliminate the wrong options, finally come to correct option. So this is the smarter way which can be used in your examination to save the time, and the same time can be utilized to solve more number of problems. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.